Feeling overwhelmed by your endless to-do list? You're not alone. In a world buzzing with distractions, finding a balance between productivity and peace can feel impossible. But here's the good news. AI is here to help, not to take over your life, but to enhance it. Are you ready to unlock your full potential in 2025? Imagine a world where technology doesn't overwhelm you but instead works you, helping you achieve more while staying balanced and present. Welcome to Mindful Digital Balance, where we explore how to use technology intentionally and mindfully. Today, we're diving into the most transformative AI tools that can skyrocket your productivity without sacrificing your well-being. Stick around because I'll share 5 AI tools that will not only boost your efficiency but also align with. Plus, did you know that people who leverage AI for task management save an average of 10 hours per week? We'll unpack how by the end of this video. First up, let's talk about AI writing assistants like ChatGPT or Jasper. These tools are like having a personal editor on call, helping you craft emails, reports, or even creative projects in minutes. But here's the mindful twist. Instead of spending hours perfecting every word, let these tools handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters, whether it's deep work or quality time offline. Next is task automation with platforms like Zapier or Make. These tools connect your favorite apps and handle repetitive tasks seamlessly. For example, they can automatically organize your files or schedule reminders. No more time wasted on manual work. By automating these small tasks, you'll free up mental energy for mindful moments and creative thinking. Time is our most valuable resource. That's why AI-powered scheduling tools like Motion or Clockwise are game changers. They analyze your calendar and optimize your day, prioritizing deep work while leaving space for breaks. It's like having a personal assistant who ensures your schedule supports both productivity and well-being. In 2025, learning is more accessible than ever. AI-powered platforms like Khan Academy adapt lessons to your pace, while apps like Duolingo make mastering a new language fun and engaging. Whether it's professional skills or personal growth, these tools empower you to keep growing without feeling overwhelmed. And finally, wellness. Apps like Headspace use AI to tailor meditation sessions just for you, while fitness trackers provide insights into your health habits. Remember, productivity isn't just about doing more, it's about feeling good while doing it. These tools help you stay grounded and energized. And remember that stat I mentioned earlier? People who embrace AI for task management save an average of 10 hours per week. That's time you can reinvest into what truly matters. Stay mindful, stay balanced, because life happens offline too.